Hey, what's up, Force fan? Back at it again. This is Running Dad. In today's video, we'll be attempting to make some pecan pie. So if you don't know, pecan pie is one of my favorite dishes, and I usually have them around Thanksgiving time. But it's also good for Christmas. And so I thought this year, why not try to make some myself? Today is Veterans Day, so before we begin the video, we'd like to salute all the men and women out there. Thank you for your service, and we wish you the best of luck. So now we'll move down to our ingredients. You'll need for this pecan pie some sugar, 3 eggs, Karo syrup, 6 ounces of pecans, some vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of butter, and if you want to make your own, but today we have some frozen deep dish pie crust. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So our first ingredient is going to be our Karo syrup, 1 cup. It doesn't matter whether you use light or dark. It's up to you. If you have any kids at home, you can have them help you as well. Our next ingredient will be our 3 eggs. Alright, once you add the eggs, please ensure that no shells fall in there. If so, just take them out. Our next ingredients will be 1 cup of sugar. And this is granulated sugar. Our next ingredient, I stand corrected, is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And last but not least will be our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And so now that we have all our ingredients in, I will go ahead and start mixing. We still need to add our pecans in here, but I just like to mix this up first before I start adding in the pecans. Hey guys, don't remember, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends, comment, and hit that bell for notifications. So as you can see, it's starting to come to the consistency that I want. Just make sure that it's very thoroughly mixed up. Take your time because this is a very important step. If it's not properly mixed, then your pie is not going to come out right. So now that we got our mix to a consistency, which I like, I'm going to go ahead and start adding our 6 ounces of pecans. Keep in mind, these pecans come already chopped up. You can purchase the whole ones if you like, but I thought this one would be a lot easier. Since we are mixing, I didn't want a big chunks of pecans in there. So our next step will be adding all this ingredients into our 9-inch pan. So we already preheated our oven to 350. So now we're going to place our pie into the oven. Some important tip from Maddie's Kitchen is to use a flat pan when using aluminum pans. You want to make sure that you're keeping this steady as you put this into the center rack. That way you won't make any spillage. Alright, now this recipe calls for you to wait 60 to 70 minutes, so we'll be back. You know it's done by checking the temperature. It should be 200 degrees in the middle of the pie. So it's almost done. We just need a few more degrees for it to go. Oh, hold on. We might make it. So at this time, you can go ahead and put it up back in the oven for another 10 minutes if you like. All right, it's been about 5 additional minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and check it again. Hopefully this time it'll get to 200 degrees. There you have it, 200 degrees. So the next step will be to let the pie cool for 2 hours, and we'll be back to show you how we do our toppings. So now here's the hard part. What topping you want? Ice cream or whipped cream? Which one do you like? Comment below. Here's the final product, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, so I chose to go with the whipped cream because that's what I like. So let me go ahead and taste this, see how it came out. I think it came out really good.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!